Fáilte subscribers getting Gaeilge. Welcome subscribers to this little mini lesson. Definitely let me know if you like this one and if you like getting your Gaeilge this way, because I want it to be the easiest and fastest and most enjoyable way for you to get your Gaeilge chula every week or gach every week. So in you or in Chachtan, we're going to look at I'll see you later, because it's just one that you can pop in at the end of every conversation, chulalo every day or chulahachtan every week. Even if you're speaking to someone in English, you can pop this one in at the end. So the biggest kind of feedback I get from people when it's coming to just everyday Gaeilge is I don't have anyone to speak Irish to. You can pop this at the end of any conversation in English and just follow it up with the English if you want to, like say Feck Mayor Ball who, say I'll see you later, and then pop it in English, I'll see you later. So I'll see you later is Fecky May Ball who. Fecky May Ball who. No better word for phonetics to put in than feck, because it is fecky May Ball who. Fecky May Ball who, I'll see you later. You can type this into aber.ie to hear it in the different dialects, but we're going to do a little brushashi, a little breakdown. I love to do this in the Gaeilge guides for parents, and I get so much good feedback from this because people like to understand what they're saying. So feck is the verb to see. So then the future, because you're saying I will see you later, is fecky. So it's Fidh is the ending that is added to the verb, and that's the future to see. So fecky may, I will see. And then ball is just later, a little phrase that means later. And then we add in who at the end, and it does have a H in it. So it's not to, it's who, because it comes at the end of the sentence, which is kind of the simplest way to explain it. So fecky may ball who is I'll see you later. Now, to get your verbs, so this is the future tense, but what if you're not too sure and you get nightmares thinking back to school Irish with all those lists of fecky may, fecky tu, fecky she? Well, you can go to changlin.ie and you can type in any verb, type it in Irish and click Grammar Wizard. And under the Grammar Wizard, you'll see all the different tenses if it is a verb. So you can click here, this is a drop-down menu, and I've clicked future, and then you can see fecky may is I will see, fecky may, and then you see fecky tu. And it even gives you the question, and it even gives you the negative as well. So nieke may or ball who, I won't see you later. Or nieke may or who, I won't see you tomorrow. And then just a quick tip actually, so you can change this to a morach. Fecky may a morach who is I'll see you tomorrow. I've popped this little card down for you as a download, so you can download this little card and you can pop it up in your kitchen, on your fridge, somewhere to keep it that reminds you to use it. Gurmila Maha, thank you so much for watching. If you love this everyday Gaeilge and you'd love to be able to be a confident, fluent Irish speaker, then you can pop your name on the list below. That list is going crazy. That's for the Rusty to Fluent series. It's like our most popular at the moment, because that's going to launch this year, and if you're on the list, then you get a special first price for getting into the beta group. So be enlisted, be on the list. Slán go fóill, bye for now.